Hi, my name's Alex and I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about the all-new Škoda Octavia in the next 60 seconds. The Octavia is the most aerodynamic car in its class. The Combi is the top-selling estate car in all of Europe, and quite frankly, the best looking. Believe it or not, the enormous boot is now even bigger. Keyless entry on all 4 doors. Space in the back is once again best in class. This ventilated ergonomic seat has a massage function. Everything in this car is heated. The steering wheel, the windshield, every seat. The all-new interior with the new infotainment is fresh and elegant. And look, a head-up display. The new generation is longer and it's wider, but it looks sportier at the same time. The car feels sturdier than before, the ride is so smooth and silent, and the steering is just great. This is fun. These full LED matrix headlights will turn your night into day. It's amazing. Engines, all of them. Diesel, gasoline, CNG, mild hybrid, the plug-in hybrid Octavia IV, whatever you want. There will also be the special versions, the Sporty RS and the Adventurous Scout. So, which one's it gonna be?
Škoda. Simply clever.